Collisions are inevitable, and the damage they cause to the safety and suspension systems are difficult to detect. We give you ways to detect that damage next. The mechanical side of the collision repair game has changed over the past 20 years. First, more and more vehicles are coming with independent rear suspensions. Also, more vehicles have ADAS added to ABS and stability control systems that help drivers avoid collisions. This is changing how vehicles can be damaged in a collision, adding new elements to performing an alignment. During an inspection of a damaged vehicle, first compare components from side to side and pay attention to the material they're made of. Know that stamped steel and cast iron can bend, and aluminum can fail if welded or heat treated. In your inspection, also check the ride height. Ride height that's out of spec could carry implications for the suspension angle and the alignment of safety system sensors like a camera. Once the angles are captured, look at the cross-camber, cross-caster, SAI, and thrust angle to be sure they're not out of spec. As part of any post-collision alignment, the steering angle sensor also needs to be inspected and calibrated with a scan tool, since it's used by almost every ADAS safety system today. Blind spot sensors are another component that needs to be checked. Usually, they're located on each side of the rear bumper cover. If there's an issue with the sensors or module, they might generate codes that can be read with a scan tool. Some higher-level ADAS-equipped vehicles will have a camera mounted behind the windshield, used for lane departure, automatic braking, and sometimes autonomous steering. If the windshield was replaced, inspect the operation of the camera with a scan tool and calibrate it with the correct procedures and tools. Remember, always consult the service information when performing any of these services. I'm Maddie Winer, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.